Hey y'all, it's Mary and I got my Stitch Fix. Y'all, I've been getting this lately around every 6 weeks or so. And Stitch Fix is a home shopping type of a thing. It's clothing and you get 5 pieces sent to you. You can work with them and get different amounts if you want more than 5. This is for men, it's for women, it's for children. Children get 10 pieces to try. They have all kinds of clothing. I got this top from Stitch Fix. Most everything you see me in, I have gotten from Stitch Fix. They have purses and shoes and jewelry and all kinds of things, jackets and all kinds of things. I just choose mostly to get tops. Sometimes they send me some bottoms, and I have gotten some nice jeans. They have got great jeans. But I don't really need a lot of jeans here in the climate that I live in. And I don't, I'm picky about pants. So I don't really get that many of them. But let's see what they sent me. How this works is not your first time, but after your first time, they'll send you an email saying that it's getting ready to be shipped to you, and they show you 10 items. And you tell them yay or nay on the items. And I think I picked three things that I liked. So I can't remember exactly, but they'll be in this box, and then they'll choose two other things. And then you can tell them little notes. Well, you know, I really didn't like, I don't know. I really didn't like the way that was styled. So maybe, you know, so hopefully they won't send you another something that was styled that way. Or I really, you know, green is not my color. Please don't ever send anything green. When you first join, you take an extensive survey that tells them all about your likes and dislikes, and also it helps you with your sizing. Because I normally wear a 1X, maybe a 1X, 2X, depending on the item, and they suggested to me 2X. But now some of their 2Xs don't fit me, and I can swap them. You can swap them. The shipping back and forth is free of charge, and if you keep all 5 pieces, you get a 25% discount on the purchase. And then also, if you sign up under somebody with a link, I have a link, you'll get $25. I'll get $25. So it's $20 to get this, your styling fee is $20 to get this in your home. So you'll get it in your home. And if you don't like anything and you send it back, again, free of charge, they send you a bag to send it back, you will be out no money at all. You'll still have $5 on your account if you want to use it again and try again. But they ask you so many questions. You're probably going to like something that you get in your box. My first box, I think I liked everything, y'all. So I did already cut it open. When you open it up, sometimes there's little ads and things in there. But there is the bag, the return bag. And then there is, let's see what this is. Here's a card. You know, they have this set, you can set your account up for you and your family, you know, for your significant other, your children, whatever. You can do that. They tell you about that. And then also there is your letter that is, it says, prepare for compliments. Thanks for letting us style you. And in here are all the items that they sent me, the sizes, the pricing, what the total price is, what my discount price is, if I keep everything, that type of thing. So let's try stuff on. Smudge is right up here trying to get in the box, so I did forget to show you. It's wrapped like this, and then that's what I got. So let's see what it is. All right, here is the first blouse. And this blouse has a lining, which is nice. I just have on some casual pants, like wear around the house kind of pants. But it's nice to have a lining. And this has a tie here, which I didn't mess with, just the way it was tied. I just left it that way. So I probably would fix that. And my cats are trying to get in the doors. So anyway, it has elastic. I don't know why so many things. Well, no, that isn't elastic. Okay. It's not elastic. But that lining is through the bodice and not through the sleeves. So pretty sort of summer, which is what I need right now. 3/4 sleeves. And that's the first one. Here is the second one. I should tell you that they sent me all 5 blouses, which is what I like. So this is a little bit longer, a little more blousey. It does have a button down the front. The sleeves are short, and then it has this little tuck, which I've noticed that in a few of their items that they've sent me recently. It has a collar top to it. No pockets or anything. It's nice and loose. I like that. Let me see if I can, that's right, that, oh, well, I'll try to fix that where that light is shining right there. I'll try to I moved the camera a little, so hopefully that light's not shining in the glass. This is magenta. This is, see how this does here? It's cute. You know, something a little bit different. Short sleeve. So that's pretty, just a V collar. And a little, oh, is it a little poofy? No, maybe not. This is a little poofy. I don't really like showing my arms, but you know, it's summertime. What are you gonna do? Y'all, I love this color. It's a green teal. Sleeve length is good. I don't like this all going on here because I've got a big midsection. But I think it's cute, you know, for some people. I think if I had a bigger top and a slimmer waist, this might do better, but yeah, no, this one is not for me. And it's not, it fits up here, so a bigger size wouldn't help me, I don't think, but that is, it's cute. It's, you know, fashionable. Y'all, I love this color. This has a lining to it, but I don't like this. This just, it's very round looking. I'm already round. I don't need to be more round. I love the sleeve length. It is, I forgot what you call this kind of pleating. So that might, you know, accordion kind of pleating. It's just, it fits. So it's not that I need a smaller size. I just don't care for it. So those are the 5. The smudge deposited himself right here. So we get a stylist. What did y'all think of what I showed you? So Tara is my stylist this time, and she writes a nice note. Happy Fix Day. It's a pleasure to be styling for you for the first time. And she got my note about slacks and stuff like that. And she goes on and talks about each item, which I won't take up all your time with that. But y'all, the 5 pieces that I got, 3 of them are on sale. So this is a fantastic fix, except I don't really love it. So, they have great sales, and sometimes they send you sale items, but you can also go on their website and buy things. If you like this blouse and it wasn't in your fix, but you could just go buy it. This is $23.97 for this blouse. This is by WDNY, and they send me 2 X's based on the measurements that I put in and everything when I first filled out my survey. So this is very pretty. It's very spring and summery, and I did like it. So $23.97. It is pretty. I like that one. Next up, I showed you this one. And let's see. This one is Montgomery Post is the brand. And I like this one a lot, except that the sleeves were a little short. But, you know, I don't like my big upper arms. And I try not to show them, but, you know, y'all talked me into it a couple years ago, like, you know, hey, a lot of people show stuff, and, you know, you just get over it, you know what I mean? So, but this sleeve is pretty. I have 1 or 2 other pieces like this, or I've been shown other pieces like this, where it's just sort of cinched a little bit. See how that is? It's hard to tell because of the pattern, but it's just got a couple of tucks to it. So a little, you know, a little something different, but it was short. I don't really like a lot of collar style blouses, but this one I liked. I liked the way it fit. It was nice and loose, comfortable for summertime. I'm trying to pick it up to show you, but you know, so this is the button down one. It's hard to, there we go. So I did like this one. This one is full price at $45. So I did like that one. I think next up I did the magenta one, And this one is also full size. This is the same brand, Montgomery Post. And this is really pretty. It has this is the back, like this yoke in the back with some pleating going on. And this sleeve was a little bit, you know, flouncy at the bottom, you know, a little frilly. And this one was the bottom where it had the couple of pieces. See, it's longer in the back. And I do like that too. And then the two pieces in the front. I like this blouse also. And that was full price at $45. So the other two pieces are sale pieces. This one is the dark green, also the same brand, Montgomery Post. And this one is $19.97, y'all. And this is so pretty. I think I love the color. Now here, it does look dark green, but yeah, I see teal. But sometimes when I'm looking at it, I see just a really dark green. So this is this one. I like the sleeve length on this one. Even though it's short, it covered a good bit of my big arm. And this bunched up in the front, it's very pretty if you have a slimmer belly. My thing, I'm a big person. We all know that. I have a big belly. Not so much a big bottom. And I don't have a lot of boobage, if you will. I don't have a lot up here. If I had more up here, you know, and it filled this in more, then I don't think this would be, this knotted thing would be so bad on my larger belly. But, you know, this is a 2X, so it is for a larger person, but a lot of large ladies have a slimmer tummy. And I think this would look really pretty on them. It was, to me, it was very, very nice, very nice for dress up, nice for dressing up. That was $19.97 on sale. I think I might have said that already. And then the last one is this, they're calling this purple. It's this lilac. This is so pretty. I love, love, love this color. This is on sale for $25.97, but y'all, when I had it on, I just felt like it was huge. It fit me, so I felt huge in it, not the blouse feeling huge. It's pretty though. It has this is the back. I don't know if I was able to show you that. I did turn around, but I forgot to show you that keyhole, I think they call that. The sleeve length was good, and the bodice is all lined, but the sleeve is not, so it's not real hot, you know, for summertime. But with this pleating going on the whole thing, it just made me feel absolutely huge. So I didn't, but the length of it, the fit of it was all good. Just didn't care for this one. So I don't really care for the ones on sale. The first one I did like. So my total for this fix is $159.91. If I were to buy all 5 pieces, I'd get $39.98 off, bringing it to $119.93. Y'all, that's a great price for 5 pieces. Great price. So, and then of course they do put sales tax on that when you buy it, but it's not shown on this paper. What do y'all think about these items? I think they're all really pretty items, but they're just not all for me. So, you know, but if I want 1 or 2 or 3 of them, I can send the rest back, or send the whole thing back, or keep the whole thing. You know, I have, for me, if I like 4 out of the 5 pieces, it has been more worthwhile for me to keep all 5 pieces because of that 25% off. And then something that I don't wear, I know lots of people. I'll take it to church with me and find somebody that would like it, or give it to a friend that, you know, is the right sizing for it. That I've done that before, and because it saves me money to get that 5th piece. If I'm liking 4 pieces, it'll be less expensive to keep all 5. That happens with that discount. Okay, Smudge. Smudge is making himself comfortable up here. So you all take care and count your blessings, and let me know what you think about Stitch Fix. And again, you can try it for free. You'll get $25 to pay for your styling fee of $20. And so then if you don't like anything, you just send it all back. And they do give you 3 days to try it out and send it back. But you can extend that if you need to. You know, say it just comes at a bad time and you need a little extra time. You just go to the website or the app. I've got the app, and put your information in there, and you know, you can keep it for a few more days, and you know, there's no penalty for that. And then when you send stuff back, there's no cost for the shipping either way, coming to you or going back. So y'all, thank you so much for stopping by and see what I got, and let me know what you think of it. And y'all take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye. Hey, Smudge.